How to search, compare, sort and purchase mutual funds. RelianceSmartMoney.com is here to change the way mutual fund investment is done. It empowers you to make an informed investment decision and also lets you action quickly with simple and easy way to invest. Let's explore how. At homepage of our website, click on Mutual Funds at the menu bar and explore a wide range of funds grouped under multiple categories like rank, most bought, type of funds and more for you to select from without spending hours. Once you select the group, browse the list of mutual funds. All of these are presented with important information at the first glance to make it easy for you to take informed decisions. You may shortlist the list of schemes presented to you with the help of Refine feature and select the options you prefer to filter out schemes less needed by you. Sounds interesting? Now let's see what to do if you find the choice of mutual fund scheme. Once you have found your choice of mutual fund scheme, you can get more details about the scheme by clicking on the scheme card. You may add it to your wish list or directly to your cart too. Moreover, you can also opt for a quick SIP. You can also recommend the scheme to your friends or family via social media. What's amazing is the Never Seen Before Compare feature. Here, you can compare and analyze the mutual fund scheme on multiple parameters. Now that you would be sure on the scheme to buy, click on Buy and submit your order. So if you're looking for an easy solution for investment in mutual funds and more, RelianceSmartMoney.com is just where you should be. Visit now and explore the world of informed investing. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully before investing.